So in this video, I will be showing you how to top 3 scratch hacks. So first of all, haven't you any time wanted to pause your sound? Sometimes you can't pause your sound. You have to just stop it, and then it just restarts after you unpause it. That's a bit annoying, right? So this trick will show you how to do that. So I'll just pick a random song, like a sound, music, anything. Then I'll do forever play sound video game 1 until done. I just chose a video game sound, but you can choose any other one. So when space pressed, I want it to pause. So let's do set pitch effect to then we're gonna do it divided by and -1, and then we're just gonna keep the other one blank. And set volume to 0. Then we're gonna duplicate that. We're gonna set pitch effect to 0. Set volume to 100. I can do when the letter A is pressed, and then yeah. So I'll just delete the whole blocks, all the blocks, because I need to show you something else. Haven't you wanted to make a when stop is the stop button is pressed, so you actually notice this is when the stop button is pressed, stopped everything. Now I'll just do forever reset timer, and then luckily Scratch made this built in when this timer is bigger than this. Yeah. We're gonna do forever block. Let's just change color effect by 25. Now set color effect to 0. Okay. Now when the stop button pressed, it just started changing its color. Stop button pressed, changes color. So that's good. The stop button works. Whenever the stop button's gonna get pressed, it's just gonna be that. So I'm just gonna add, I just searched up from Google, a random dinosaur, okay? So if we add a background, and for example, the desert. Look at that dinosaur. We added an image and the dinosaur has a background. Not too worried. There's a fill button in the bitmap, and then we can do blank. And then look, the background's easily removed. We can do whatever we want with this image, and there's no background. So I'll see you next time. Bye.